Initially it is gray, and as I'm scrolling it reveals and it becomes black, right? So I created this animation within Wix Studio. It just took me few minutes to create this animation, right? So as you can see here, if I'm scrolling, it is also revealing the animation, right? The text, initial text is gray, and as soon as I scroll my mouse, it reveals the animations, right? So how I did it, it's just a simple steps you have to follow, right? There are two ways you can do it. So I did it my way, is like separating all the letters and just adding, let's say, top and bottom the same letters, right? The same word and the same letters, and created two containers for top and bottom. For the top one, I'm adding an animation, the reveal animation here. If you come to this animation part here in this scroll, because I want this animation to play on scroll of my mouse, right? So as you see, it's here animation type is in the top one, this one, right? So here's the reveal animation. If I go to the settings of these animations from left side, right? So it should reveal from the left hand side as soon as I scroll my mouse, right? So here you can set the animation area depending on your layout, right? And see, as you can see here, I can play it. See, very simple, right? Just like this example website, you can easily create these animations. See, look at this. See, if you look at, they are very smooth. Here it's not very smooth, but you can add third-party libraries to your Wix Studio website. If you have a premium plan, you can do that in Wix Studio, right? If you are a Webflow or Framer user, then you can build the same animation with the same principles, but you have to learn the basics of Framer and Webflow. If you don't know, then go to my website and see the free courses available there.